Welcome back. Now I want to test to see how Shotcut is working with Wayland to see if I still have that issue I had in the past. I'm going to throw a couple items into my playlist, just a couple random things, and I'm just going to grab a random video. I have no idea what this is from. Actually, I think this is from the last time I did a Shotcut video, which is kind of ironic. Okay, I want it displayed that way. So this is a screencast. There's no audio with it. That should be fine. I shouldn't have. So I can throw that down there. And then I want to go ahead and add a video track. And let's see. In the past, I should just be able to drag it down. Okay, and move it around. It doesn't lock up. It doesn't crash. That's good. Do it again. Great. Move the track head there. Okay, that took a while to show up there. Don't know why. Now if I grab it and I overlap it, that overlaps. Okay, great. This works, so that's just, so I don't need to switch to X11. So the next thing I'm going to do is set up the FFMpeg to work with Wayland. So if you have anything you want to say, go ahead, leave a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching. You have a great day.